guys ready to go some monster truck riding? Huh? I'll go give that to Lexi, maybe the ball in the cup. I don't think you bring that on, Phil. Hurry. 5 of us, but my son went to go bring the ball back there. Come on, Phil. Hold that, Phil. look at.
That was amazing.
Yeah, it was good.
I want to go again.
Yeah, you want to go again. You're the guy you didn't want to go on, and now you want to go again.
We're going to win a roller coaster, just me and you.
You're like, you can't be doing that, okay? You can't be doing that. Yeah, because he got up when he was, when he didn't stop. And then he got mad, you can't be opening up the lock. You can open up the lock. We're done. Can't be doing that. Hey, Vin got yelled at.
It's on video.
It's on video.
What did he do?
He got up while he was backing up.
Well, he ran at the end, and then he was like, "You can't be doing that."
Can't be
And then-
doing.
And then look, there was like a chain. So we were trying to go under it, and he's like, "You can't be doing that. You can't be doing it. You're gonna let me unlock it."
Welcome to Wildwood.
That's the last one, yeah.